Hi there, this is Dianne Hanks, and I'm going to actually do a little hair curling before I don't think I've ever shown actually me rolling in the curlers. I usually show them how I take them out, but I have had a few requests to have me show how I do roll them, and before I start, I just want to quick and tell you how I sort of get my hair ready. This is after it's blow dried, and I use one of my little, it's like a heat wand brush, just to sort of get it sort of flat, because my hair has so much wave and it's so frizzy, and that's one of the reasons why I'm loving the, when I take out the Velcro rollers. So I have choices. I've got these, and I have these. So these are the larger ones, and these are the smaller ones. So this is the part where I get to decide, how do I want to roll my hair today? I don't know. I don't know what the results will be each time. The last one I did, it did turn out kind of different, but every day my hair has a new life. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. And what I usually do is hold out this and grab my bangs and put one of these in here just to hold it out of, out of the way. Okay, now grab this. This would be one of those times when it'd be cool to have you really be interactive and say, try the blue one, try the pink one. And I know already that I'm not going to have enough time to roll my whole head of hair, but I'm going to do what I can do. I do usually start with this little middle section. And one of the reasons why I have taken up to really get excited about exploring the possibility of, styling my own hair is because I don't want women to have a sort of a crutch that they feel like they have to go someplace to have somebody else do it. I want to give you all the tools that you can do it yourself. Learn how to do it yourself. And so, I know you're watching me kind of struggle as I learn how to do this, but just take this and a little section. First, because then it sort of naturally divides it for me. One cool thing is that I don't have like a perfectly straight cut. My hair's quite layered, and it's got little pieces, but the curlers really do grab it anyway. That was abruptly stopped. What does that mean? Does that mean my 9 minutes is up? I put on a music that was like 9 minutes. All right, there we go. Oh no, we're good. I'm just taking this section by section with my fingers. And I'm alternating the ink here. I can't even see what I'm doing, and it's still working for me. And I just take... go back in and tighten them a little bit. I didn't put any styling glaze on them or anything. I do have a little product. Okay, so look at the back now. So now I have it's already divided into two sides. And then I just start with the top. On here, I'm going to put these big purple ones today. Sometimes if you get a little bit too much hair, like I did in this one, it doesn't stick as well because the teeth are covered by too much hair. So then you just take a little bit more out. That's easy. Okay, so now I've got those going and I want to try something a little bit different. I'm going to take these little sections this way. I'm going to roll these with the smaller ones vertically. I think I just have 1 minute left. So I'm going to stop this and I'm going to do, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do a second one so that we can see accurately how long it actually takes in real time. So I'll just go ahead and stop this and start it again. Thanks for staying with me.